Le Père Noël, il est passé.
Oh, what's that?
It's my hat. It's my favorite.
It's your house?
Yeah. It's the bed. I can give the gift. I can open the gift.
You like your house?
Yeah.
Wait, let's... Alright, you guys, dig in.
I give the gift. Okay, Sarah, you have your gift. Papa? Mama,
Oh.
look.
Yes, sit and open it. Sit, go sit beside Tyler.
What is this one? Ça, c'est moi. Ça, c'est moi. Mama.
Oh, thank you, Ty.
Il y a encore papa.
Ah, c'est un Naruto.
Ah.
Bravo, j'aime aussi Naruto.
It says to Mama from Tyler and Sarah. Oh,
Papa,
that's my gift from Tyler and Sarah. Thank you. Wow, what is this?
look.
It's a puzzle.
Yes, a puzzle.
Wow.
Mama, this
Yeah.
is
Who is it from? We have to know who it's from.
for me. Me, it's Toto Sebastian.
Okay, I know who it's
It's
from.
Toto Sebastian.
Okay, so you know you need to take out Tonto and say thank you.
Mama, you know this?
Yes,
This
hold on.
is
Is it for Sarah?
Sarah.
Yes, it's for Sarah. Okay, Tyler, can you
Papa
write
and
your
Mama.
name? It's for Papa and Mama. No, that's for Tyler from Papa and Mama.
Oh.
This is for who?
This is for me.
For me, for you, from me. And everybody don't except me. I'll just watch.
What is that? Oh,
He got what he wanted.
Papa.
And this is round 2 of the opening. Yeah?
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, Ty.
what is that,
What's
Sarah?
that, Sarah? What's that?
It's Papa.
Elsa dress?
Sarah from Toto Sebastian.
Sarah from Tonton. Give me all the papers.
Mama. Mama, this is only me.
Ah, Melissa. Melissa.
I put different names.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh, that looks wrong.
Put it, let me see if it fits.
What's that?
Oh, yes, it fits. Ah.
Mama.
Yes, thank God. It was the hardest thing to find a good
Sarah
one.
from Auntie Anika.
Rizu?
Mwah.
What's this?
Papa.
Wait, you have to see what it is. You don't know what's in it. Ah.
What is that,
You
Sarah?
know what this is, Sarah?
A ballerina.
Yes. Ah. No, you can't dance.
Mommy, did Toto
It's the ballerina dress you've been wanting.
Ah,
You like it?
yeah.
Okay, we can put it on when you finish, okay?
Tyler from Grandma USA.
Okay. It's written Melissa from Dave. It's my book. It's my book. I've been watching this book. It's a Kerry Washington latest book. Thanks, babe.
Mama shoes are football.
It's a, whoa.
We're ready to go football now.
What is that?
It's my car.
It's from Auntie Anika. You need to try this, and if it don't fit, you carry it back.
Sarah for
It's quality, darling.
Sarah from Grandma USA.
Wait, let you. No, Sarah, it's okay. We'll open it later.
Sarah from
She's
Grandma
obsessed with
USA.
makeup, huh?
What?
More makeup.
Kick butt.
Sarah.
What did you get, honey?
Sarah for Mama and Papa.
Sarah, you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have another one here.
But I didn't open it.
Tyler and Tianika.
a ballerina shoes, girl. Oh, this for me. This for me. I got earpods.
Mama?
Yeah.
It's
Wow.
a Janica.
Whoa. Sarah, sit down. Wow.
Sarah.
Thanks, babe. Earpods.
Mama.
Thank you.
Yee. It's written Mama open last. Bell.
Bell dress. Wow. Sarah, sit.
I was wondering if it's mine.
Yes, it's yours. And you got 3 months unlimited music.
Thank you. Thank you.
Especially yesterday when I hear you
So we have
asking for
something
headphones.
similar.
Yes, we have similar. You buy the earpods, I buy the earpods.
Mama, look telephone.
Tell her, you know what that is?
A globe.
It's a technology one that we see advertising on the TV.
Where when we press on it, it will video on that one. Mama.
Oh no, it's from me. And oh, from Jen.
Mama.
Oh, I got the Hey, I got what I wanted.
Sarah.
This was the only thing I was looking forward to. Eh?
Wow.
Wow.
I got it inside.
I can open it now.
Okay. Est-ce qu'il reste quelque chose?
You got me bands.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, that's that.
I got different color bands to change the one.
What is that, Sarah?
Sarah, what is that?
What did you put that?
This is what she's been looking forward to.
On the family.
Pocket. Wow.
On the family.
That's Polly Pocket?
Yeah.
You're happy?
Yes.
What do you say?
Thank you.
You're
Auntie.
welcome.
Mama.
Thank you, Mama and Papa.
Here's a last gift for you.
It's Jen.
Mm-hmm. Calendar the Advent.
Tea.
Wow, there's teas inside. Thank you, Jen Ben.
But it looks really it's a calendar.
So it's tea inside. Tea to drink.
Bonjour,
Yes,
monsieur.
but it's an advent
So
calendar.
that's fine.
Mama,
Yes.
don't blow it.
I'm gonna pick them up after.
Mama, what more gifts?
No, gifts finished.
Oh my gosh. Can we go play outside?
Everybody's ready to play outside. Come here.
Yes.
Come here.
I'm ready.
You like your gifts?
I want to put that ballerine.
You want to put on ballerine?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put on ballerine. Come.
Ballerine.
Put your foot in.
Ballerine.
Happy tie?
Yes. Me too. C'est l'heure de déballer.
Whoa! Move your hand. Watch my little ballerina.
Bye-bye. Hello.
Wow. You want the shoes? Where's the shoes?
My shoes is here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, je
Open
toutes
your
les...
shoes.
I have all of the accessories for football.
Yup. And this, you see what and what is in it?
A ball?
Not just a ball. What else is in
Oh,
it?
a t-shirt?
No. What else?
You see?
Come, Sarah. Take out this.
Yeah, you don't see. The 2 pieces is the two gold seeds. Maintenant, papa pourra jouer aux échecs.
Comme ça.
C'est quoi ça? C'est des chaussures de ballerine?
Oui.
Tu vas être la plus belle pour aller danser?
Oui.
Wow.
Ah, je sais. Des scissors.
Tu vas nous montrer comment tu fais la danse? Comme ça? Comment tu danses?
It's already a photo. No need to figure out. Because it's attached. It's supposed to attach. Come put it in.
How's the size?
So it's a little bit, but it's perfect. See?
J'ai mes crampons. J'ouvre tous mes cadeaux.
C'est pour toi, hein?
Waouh, une danseuse des étoiles.
L'emballage autour.
T'enlèves juste l'emballage plastique.
Voilà.
T'enlever tout l'emballage plastique.
Where is my phone to take a photo of you?
Non, ça c'est. Ça va comme ça. Et c'est la protection du.
Sarah.
Et ça c'est la protection du jeu. La pochette comme ça. Quand tu as coupé,
On va mettre du scotch.
But I destroy everything.
You're dancing. Hey!
Voilà.
Look at you, Dada.
Sarah, viens voir. Sarah, come give Papa a hug. I love you. Tu es contente?
Oui.
Qu'est-ce que tu as eu aujourd'hui?
En fait, j'ai un cadeau.
Tu as eu quoi comme cadeau? Ça c'est quoi ça?
En fait, un haricot.
Wow.
Elle a son nom, elle l'appelle, elle a le fait.
Wow. Et le ballerine?
Le tiré pour maquillage.
Et la maison aussi?
Oui.
Wow. Et Tyler, il a eu ça? Ça c'est quoi ça?
C'est Olivier.
Mais tu connais toi?
Oui.
Il s'appelle comment?
Olivier.
Bonjour Olivier. Ah, je savais pas que tu connaissais Olivier toi.
Oh, c'est dur d'enlever le scotch qui est autour.
Non, non, c'est ça. Ça va mon cœur?
Oui.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, it's not you too.
Ah, bébé,
Ah,
that's your French
there were
book.
passport.
International passport for Tyler, my favorite place. Yes.
That's cool. The passport is cool. It's a cool touch.
Oh, we need to turn it on.
You have to read the manual.
But where is he when you...
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.